me discuss. A very warm and a very cozy good morning to all my lovely students of class 8. And here we
Good
are
morning,
with
ma'am.
class. Very good morning, child. Very good morning. And you all know what's our rule is. You need to switch on your videos, switch off your mic, and then I ask you all to switch it on. The moment I will be asking questions, at that time you will switch on your mic, or else you can, Bhumika, you are through PC. Okay, I can understand. No issues. Rest of the students, I request them to switch on their videos because this is the rule. Those who are going to switch off their video without any reason, they are going to be marked as absent children. I said switch it on. Kushal is having camera issue. What camera issue, Kushal? Is it not working? Or you're inside the blanket? Won't be able to switch it on because the screen has been broken. Oh my God. Okay, Vishesh. The genuine reason 2, 3. Acha, now Jinal also. You can forward me a WhatsApp message in the class WhatsApp group. Whatever issues you are having, I will switch forward it to Neha ma'am. Now switch on the cameras, all of you.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
ma'am, I had completed my copy. I will send it to you today.
Mail ID and make different parts of your PDF, means like two chapters, one PDF. Okay, so that it will be convenient for you.
Ma'am, it's not sending by. Ma'am, in my iPhone, it's not sending in PDF. I had also tried in other subjects.
Beta, how it is possible? Can you tell me? Take the screenshot, take the cam scanner or the doc scanner, make the PDF and then
yes,
send it.
ma'am. Ma'am, I'm doing like that only. My brother also tried, but it's not sending. I will try one more time also.
Try it once again, or we have to. Yes.
But when is the last date of submitting
24th of December.
English notes?
Ma'am, copy submitting.
मैम every subject. मैम आप notes डाल दिए मैम.
Today I will be giving you. I told you to make your notes by your own. Huh?
Ma'am.
What, ma'am? I will try to do it by late night today because I have back-to-back classes.
Yes, ma'am.
So now listen to me very carefully. I have prepared you all as per the board rules and regulations because from next year there will be again changes in your curriculum regarding your subjects and all. So you have to prepare yourself to the level of that board classes. In the sense like for class 10th and we are following the 9th and 10th pattern of giving the question papers to you all. Now, in Unseen Passage, you might have seen that many of the times I have given you all. I can see Charu, Darshan. Many students have not switched on the camera. Shall I switch it off?
No, ma'am, please.
Then each and every child will switch on the camera. Now, I will be showing you many paragraphs and I will be asking one or two students to read it out to understand and then to answer me. There are certain basic rules of finding out the answers from unseen passages. What you all think is like when an unseen passage is given to you, it's a very easy part. You can go through the unseen passage and just find out the answers. My dear children, this is not going to work out for these upcoming classes and in your final exam. What you have to do, what is the pattern of reading, how do you choose your answers, how to frame out your answers, these are things I'm going to discuss with you all today. It's a very important part because I have seen whenever I'm giving any unseen passage to you all, what you'll do is you just chalk out the answer from the paragraph and write as it is. This has been observed 70 to 80%. Am I correct? Deep, Gunjan, Ishika, Jinal.
Of course.
These students are not at all answering me. Gunjan, Ishika, Jinal, sleeping. Kushal, Lakshya.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Then why are you not answering me? Okay. Children, when a paragraph is given to you, what is the first job to be done?
I'm to read that paragraph.
Okay. Anything else?
Ma'am, for example, if you have got a paragraph, ma'am, suppose if you have a paragraph, so you need to do first you have to check the title of that specific paragraph, then you have to read it thrice, and then you have to store the very important points in your mind, and therefore after this test with absolute perfection.
Okay. True. Anything else anyone would like to share, please? Children, this is an interactive class where you are supposed to discuss with me because we have completed. Now is the time to prepare yourself for examinations. I will start from the writing skill part again. So I just want to know those students are not able to find out the answers from the unseen passages. What is their issue? What is their problem? Yes, children, come up with your queries. Come up with your queries, children. I'm waiting for you all. Charu, Darshan, Bhavi, they have not switched on their cameras. Rajat, Aram. Okay, no issue. They will be absent then. Madhur, Mehak. Madhur. Yes. Fine. Madhur will tell me something. Hello, Madhur. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Madhur came to meet me last Wednesday. And Mehak too. So we had a nice time because they have enjoyed a lot. So they are going to come in upcoming Wednesday again. Because I have invited them in school. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what we are going to do is, Mother, if I'm going to show you one paragraph right now itself, can you just tell me the pros and cons of this? Means, iske ifs and buts bata payenge aap? Can you tell me what is the problem that you face while choosing out the answer? Mother?
Yes, ma'am.
So do you face problem?
No, ma'am.
No, not at all. You get full marks in unseen passages. Are you all sure?
Yes, ma'am.
That's good. But I have seen that you all lose 1 or 2 marks in unseen passages. Aram? Is it so? Aram, is it so? Can you all see?
Ma'am,
Yes.
what you have
You were not listening to me. I saw
said.
your face. I'm asking that.
Ma'am, I am listening, but
that moment I haven't heard. I am asking that you all don't get 100% full marks in unseen passages. Where do you all lack?
Ma'am, we lose marks. Ma'am, I lose marks at that moment when the question comes that take out the common word which is similar to this word or that word. So at that moment I lose marks.
Yes, I wanted to hear this thing. Do you all lose? Everybody lose this marks?
Ma'am,
No, I
sometimes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
but some.
Yes.
Beta, 99% students lose their marks in this type of questions. First, choose out the similar meaning or choose out the synonym of it, choose out the antonym of it, or choose out something similar to that word which is not important in the passage. लव्य को बहुत जोर से नींद आ रही है. ओहो, feeling cozy. Love, where is your blanket? Aha, so जाओ. Ah, good, good, good. Okay, so let us see this paragraph. This is an old pattern paragraph in front of you where we have to go through the questions and we need to frame out the answers. So this is a normal questionnaire round, and just think about that this is an extract from your chapter, and I will expect from everyone in my class to give me the answers. So are you all ready?
Yes.
Yes. So
Yes, ma'am.
I will expect the same from everyone. Huh? So each and every child has to answer me. Read the following passages and answer the questions given below each. It's a normal questionnaire round. And books are very useful to us. They are the best companion of men.
First answer.
Wait, have I asked? No. Please have patience. And each and every child will switch on their camera. Pahel, Gunjan, Moksh, Pincha. I'm not going to call your names again and again. They are the best companion of man. They never cheat the reader. Books are a good source of knowledge. We get knowledge on different subjects. We can read books. We can read books of our taste. They enlighten our hearts and make us. Hold on, just a second. Moksh Pincha, are you there? Moksh Pincha.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, Moksh.
Good morning, ma'am.
So just tell me the meaning of the line.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Moksh. I'm talking to Moksh Pincha. Moksh Pincha is going to answer me. Tell me the meaning of this line. We can read books of our taste. What do you mean by this line, Moksh?
Ma'am, means we can read our book, means which we like.
Very good. Very good. That means you are there in the class. Good enough. Happy to listen. They enlighten our hearts and make us bold to face the realities and difficulties of life. We can find everything in books. By reading books, we can be in the company of great writers of the past. Now, my next question will be, wait.
Ma'am, may I answer the next question?
Wait. I will ask, that child has to answer me.
Please. I'm Keshav.
Vishesh will answer me. Vishesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Vishesh, just tell me one thing. By reading books, we can be in the company of great writers of the past. What do you mean by this?
Ma'am, please, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you please repeat?
Chup.
Ma'am, can you please repeat it?
Ma'am, please. Ma'am, please.
मैं ना कैमरे के अंदर से घुस के मारूंगी मैं. Keep quiet.
मैम मैं समझ सकता इसलिए कह रहा था.
Beta, wait now. I need to ask. There are many students, beta. They need to answer me. By reading books, we can be in the company of great writers of the past. What do we mean by this line? Vishesh.
Please can I?
Ma'am, I think that by reading books we can know about the history or we get some knowledge about it.
Knowledge about whom?
Ma'am, by knowledge about our histories.
Knowledge about our history. Okay. Is it the exact meaning?
Chance दे दो ना.
Lo bolo. First
No,
and
ma'am,
last.
I don't think it's not exact meaning, ma'am. I can. Yes, ma'am, I'm telling. Ma'am, it is written that by reading books, we can be in the company of great writers of the past. See, ma'am, this teacher, and ma'am, for example, me.
Chaitanya, your voice is breaking. Chaitanya, your voice is breaking.
You are teaching. If we are paying attention to.
Internet issue. You all can hear Chaitanya well?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
fine.
ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
Yes,
that-
ma'am.
Fine. Continue, Chaitanya.
Okay. Ma'am, for example, you are English teacher. You are teaching us in the best way possible. And ma'am, slowly, but we are, if we are paying attention to you. In the same way, many great writers such as William Shakespeare, ma'am, for example, if we are in the books, if we are reading his play, we are getting the knowledge who is this Shakespeare, what is his technique of writing such wonderful and amazing play. Our मतलब हम अपना दिमाग लगा रहे हैं subject में, and because of that we are also getting into level of perfection, and eventually even we can become great writers by reading books.
That means when we read books, we actually get connected with those people, those who are trying to express their own feelings, right? We are coming in their contact, isn't it? So that means by reading books, we can be in the company of great writers of the past. We can make this world a better place to live in. Books are the lifeblood of great masterminds. Now, I would like to listen the meaning of this from Rajat. Rajat, are you there? My camera is not on, Rajat. Again, I will mark as absent. Rajat. See, gone away, sleeping.
Raj,
Ma'am.
Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Answer me then. Switch on your camera.
Ma'am, my camera is not working.
Very good. Why?
Ma'am, my mobile is fallen down.
yo,
Fine. नया reason ढूंढो बेटा. चलो. This has become very old nowadays. Fine. Rajat, tell me the meaning then. We can make this world a better place to live in. Books are the life blood of great masterminds. Yes.
hello.
Now your voice is not coming clearly.
Huh?
Ma'am, a question.
Who is sending me message, beta? Not there in the class.
पूछते थे आप की आवाज चले
कट
जाती
जाती
है।
है।
Rajat, can you answer me, please? Rajat, waiting for your answer. हो गया, सबकी छुट्टी हो गई. Done then. Bhavi? Bhavi? Simple, very simple paragraph. I have just shown in front of you. I am just asking the meaning of the lines. I have not entered into the questionnaire round. Still now.
Ma'am, can I tell the meaning of second line? Books
Beta?
are the lifeblood of great masterminds. Can I
Yes,
tell the
tell
meaning?
me, tell me, tell me.
Ma'am, means that which the great writers have been written the great books. Their all the life are in the मतलब उनका उनका पूरा जीवन उसी मतलब बुक्स के दुनिया में ही ऐसा निकल गया.
It's nothing like that, beta. You need to understand the meaning. यहीं पे तो problem आता है. We can make this world a better place to live in. Books are the lifeblood of great masterminds. Like for example, those who are really great people in the world now, they are actually having a different lifestyle, different views, different thoughts, different kind of I should say having a different view about this life. Okay, so we have a different scenario, and really these books become like our soul, you know, soulmate. ये हमारी जान बन जाते हैं. And not only especially they are saying about the great people, those who are big writers, big thinkers, big publishers, big story writers, novel writers, poets. So this is like that is the part and parcel of their life. उनके खून मतलब क्या होता है बेटा? Without blood we can a person cannot live, right? Without oxygen a person cannot live. So books becomes the oxygen and the blood for them. Getting me? आया समझ में? Got the
Yes,
meaning?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We can never deny their utility. We can never deny their utility means हम कभी भी उसके importance को मना नहीं कर सकते हैं, right? We cannot say no
ठुकरा
to them.
नहीं सकते.
Yes. So see beta, this is such a small paragraph, right? Hardly of 6 to 7 lines. Now think about by reading this small paragraph, how much knowledge did you gain? You gain knowledge? You all gain knowledge?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I will be asking random questions to everyone, and each and every child.
Ma'am, I send you the answers.
I'm seeing. I have seen in the chat, but you need to wait. One most important thing, you all are having the habit of writing one word answer or answering in MCQ pattern. This has become nowadays style of writing. Okay, so what you need to do is whenever any question answer has been asked, you have to frame out the answer. आई बात समझ में? Did you all got my point? You have to frame out the complete answer. Now, I would like to ask Kriti Malu.
Malu.
Kriti? Beta, please don't raise your hands. I will ask everyone. Kriti Malu. Are you there? Kriti, are you there, beta? Kriti, are you there? I will mark as absent. Ridhima. Ridhima.
Ma'am, can I?
Wait na beta. Let me see where they have gone.
Please, Keshav.
Yes, ma'am.
Ridhima. All are giving the correct answer, but the thing is that we have to frame the answer in a proper way. Ridhima. No answer, gone. Absent. Jinal.
Ma'am,
Jinal.
am I present?
Now, beta Jinal, just answer me in the frame the sentence. What is useful to us? What is useful to us?
Ma'am, please.
I have seen the answers.
Ma'am, please, may I tell?
Rishabh. Rishabh. Pehel. Pehel.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer
Yes,
me,
ma'am.
beta.
Ma'am, books are useful to us.
Yes. So you will frame out the complete answer. Have you seen, children, how many students I am asking the question and no one is answering me? I have marked them absent and sent the names to Neha ma'am. I forwarded the names, those who will not
Ma'am, am
answer.
I absent?
Ma'am, may I tell next answer?
Ma'am, I answered, but
May I,
Wait,
ma'am,
please. Ma'am, please.
Charu will answer me the second question. Charu.
Ma'am, I'm not able to see the questions. Where are they?
Huh? Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone can see?
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I can't see.
Yes, ma'am. I also can't see it.
Better log in and
No
log out.
problem. Ma'am, that issue होगा
It is visible.
Ma'am, I'm able to see your face and your voice also, but I'm not able to see your screen.
net issue,
How?
net issue.
no,
Net
it
problem.
is visible.
Okay. Whom do they never cheat? Whom do they never cheat? The answer will be given by Charu. I can't see it.
Ma'am, may I?
Na marungi main.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can I
Ma'am,
tell?
Chaitanya.
Wait.
Can I tell?
Ma'am, can I, Lavanya?
Ma'am, Chaitanya.
Ma'am, Keshav.
Madhur will tell me.
Ma'am, can I?
Madhur will tell me.
Chaitanya.
Madhur is going to play with bat now. Madhur will tell me.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can
they
I, ma'am,
never
can I,
check the
ma'am,
result.
Pulkit?
Beta, please wait, Pulkit. Madhur, tell me the answer. Whom do they never
Yes,
cheat?
ma'am, sorry, ma'am.
Huh? Madhur?
Ma'am,
cheat
the
the
last class you
reader.
are not giving a chance to answer.
See the condition of your beta. Such a simple paragraph, Madhur.
Am I also not given answer?
I know
Ma'am, they
who is
never
giving.
cheat the reader.
Yes.
Okay, Lavya.
Ma'am, can I tell third one?
Lavya.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the answer. Tell me the answer, beta. My goodness. Sir. Sir.
Ma'am, we are not
Ma'am, you
able
are
to see the
muted.
screen. Ma'am, and you
Yes.
are muted.
Ma'am, you are muted.
Available to screen.
Ma'am, screen is
Yes,
stopped.
yes, yes. I will show you the
It is
screen
not
again.
invisible.
Yes.
Ma'am, I
Can I
know
speak?
the answer.
Can I speak? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, I have observed that
course.
students are not giving me the answers. That means if you are not able, hardly 6 or 7 students are there, those who are giving the answer me regularly. But why the other students are not answering me? This class is meant for everyone. Take the screenshot. I will show it to you again. Take the screenshot of the questions as well as the paragraph and solve it and send it to me today itself in my WhatsApp, in the class WhatsApp group. मुझे अभी के अभी मैंने after your classes end, this is your homework. Clear?
हम क्या करना है?
In the market we have lots of achar. We will give achars.
Stop.
Yes, ma'am.
Jab
मैम क्या है मैम प्लीज बताओ ना मैम टास्क.
you have to solve this and send it in the class WhatsApp group. This is the paragraph. Take the screenshot.
Yes, ma'am, taken, don't worry.
Ma'am, I'm doing it on laptop.
Laptop also we have print screen. Take the screenshot.
Ma'am, is there?
Just beside the F12 button.
Ma'am, can you show the paragraph, please? Please scroll up to show the paragraph.
Wait. Take the screenshot of the
Yes.
questions.
Ma'am, took. Ma'am, I am Bhumika.
Ma'am,
and
एक मिनट.
my answers of this
Ma'am, please let me take screenshot.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, please
दिखाओ ना.
can you show the answer questions?
I will show 30 seconds the
Ma'am,
paragraph.
question दिखाओ ना question.
They are
हाँ.
visible.
क्या दिखा रही है आंसर?
I will count till 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Done. These are the questions. Done? Is it done?
Yes, ma'am.
Take this one also.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम ले लिए.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Nowadays in Zoom, the
done.
warning is not shown, but the time is over.
Yes, ma'am. It's
10:30.
for the Christmas.
मैम अब वो मैम
हाँ?
उसका नाम शायद टाइम एक्सटेंड हो गया है.
No, only for Christmas time only. It's giving for Christmas.
Okay. I was not
Yes.
knowing. Thank you for telling me.
मैम 50-50.
Take care. Bye-bye. See you.
55.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, bye,
Bye.
Bye, beta.